If you're trying to lose weight, but keep eating these foods for breakfast, you're probably not going to see any results. So, what should you eat in the morning to actually shed pounds? And what does a proper breakfast really look like? Let's break it down. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Steve. I'm an endocrinologist, and I'm 64 years old. Let's get started. First, let's debunk the biggest myth out there. The internet is full of scary stories claiming that skipping breakfast causes dementia or makes your gallbladder stop working. Let me tell you straight, that's just not true. We are biological beings, and in nature, there's no such thing as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you wake up and you're not hungry, don't force yourself to eat. There is zero evidence that skipping breakfast harms your health. However, some people do need breakfast. For instance, if you experience morning heartburn or feel completely drained and lethargic by noon. In these cases, breakfast is a tool to help you function. The main thing is not to let this tool turn into poison. If you want to lose weight, get these 3 things off your table. First, hidden sugars. Instant oatmeal packets and sweetened yogurts are massive insulin bombs that will block your body from burning fat. Second, junk meat. Sausages and bacon are 90% fat, skin, and additives. There's almost no protein, but there are enough calories to last you the whole day. And third, excessive fats. You don't need to fry your eggs in a chunk of butter while adding greasy cheese on the side. Stick to one source of fat per meal. So what does the ideal weight loss breakfast look like? Use the plate rule. Fill half your plate with vegetables or greens. Another quarter should be high-quality protein, like a couple of eggs. The final quarter is for slow carbs, like whole grain oats. My advice, try making shakshuka with tomatoes and peppers. It's delicious, filling, and will keep you going until lunch without any snacks. Remember, your health starts with what you put on your plate first thing in the morning. Curious? Subscribe to learn the whole truth about your health.